what will age you the fastest? Cigarettes, sugar, too much sun, too much alcohol?
Ever noticed how some women don't seem to age? It's not genetics. It's not expensive products or treatments. It's something completely different, and the results will shock you.
The key to reducing wrinkles is not moisturisers, it's not fillers, and it's definitely not collagen creams or supplements.
Anyone who hasn't tried this new 60-second anti-aging ritual, you need to watch this video, because when I tried it, I could see a change almost immediately. I got the shock of my life when getting ready for work this morning. I was just about to apply some makeup before heading out, but for the first time in about 10 years, I changed my mind. My skin looked so smooth and so clear, I couldn't believe it. So I picked up my bags and I walked straight out the front door. The sun beaming off my newly glowing skin with a renewed sense of pride and self-confidence in my appearance.
Thousands of women of all ages are now doing it, and it's all over social media. It's a really quick solution, not just for deep-set wrinkles, but also for fine lines and sagging skin. This method was revealed by celebrity skincare expert Melissa Hartzell. She's on TV all the time, and many even consider her to be one of the world's leading skincare consultants.
Okay, Melissa, I'm going to ask what all of us women want to know. What is the secret to getting rid of wrinkles?
So, as you might know, collagen is what keeps our skin tight and smooth, and as we get older, this collagen weakens, causing wrinkles to appear. But what most people don't understand is why this happens.
Carry on.
Well, it's recently been discovered that there is a tiny aging enzyme in our skin which eats away at our collagen. This enzyme, nicknamed the cannibal protein, multiplies in number as we age, meaning as we get older, our skin loosens.
Lucky us. Is there any way to prevent this?
There is now. Scientists have figured out a way to target this aging enzyme, stopping it dead in its tracks. This allows our collagen levels to soar and our skin to rapidly tighten up once more.
It's really that simple.
It's that simple. And the best part is it can all be done from the comfort of your home in just 60 seconds. Thousands of women have discovered this little known 60-second ritual, and it's taking social media by storm. Take a look.
I can't express how much this has changed my life and making me feel better about myself.
When I tell you that all of my friends now use this, I mean that all of my friends use this.
I'm one of the biggest skeptics around. I'm 68 years old. Please give it a try. Have a look at my face. Just look, my neck, look.
I was a bit skeptical about trying this hack, but wow, the results were absolutely incredible.
Even my daughter commented about how good my skin was looking.
I truly feel like my younger self again.
Some of the transformations are mind-blowing. So much so that now some top doctors and dermatologists now recommend it to their private patients. And every day I'm flooded with new messages asking me how to do this 60-second ritual. I tell each of them the same thing. Watch my video. It's completely free and explains exactly what you can do today to start your journey towards visibly younger, more youthful looking skin. If you want to see exactly how to use this ritual to get smoother, younger looking skin starting today, then click the Learn More button right now.